We travel to escape our reality. Life looks more beautiful here away from the hustle. You are a free bird. You can be anything, you can imagine anything. So let's escape to my real world of imagination.
What's up guys, my name is Shakti and you watching Traveling Mondays from Ladakh. Watch this video till the end, give it a thumbs up and chill vibes loading in like 3, 2, 1, let's go.
Yesterday there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise. And now there's something in the air and a sparkly shimmer on our skin, restoring everything within.
So finally we have made it guys at Pangong Lake. I have never seen such beautiful place in my life. So it's now 5:15 और आधे घंटे बाद sunset हो जाएगा. मेरे पास केवल और half an hour है to execute this beautiful place in a beautiful sequence. So my hands are freezing. He is picking up the plastic. Such an amazing job, man. So guys, I reached by the lake and this is nature magic. Trust me guys, the kind of vibe, the kind of beauty it is from the real eyes can't be captured into the camera, can't be captured into the video. This is so unreal, beautiful. I have no words. So next my camera went off and then I had just one choice.
Pangong Lake is located at elevation of 14,270 feet. This lake is 134 kilometers long. It is also known as India-China Lake, where some parts are in India and some parts lies in China. This magical lake keeps changing its color throughout the day. And so I am up in air to capture the best I can.
Day 4 in Ladakh. I am at Pangong Lake. I just woke up and night was pretty cold. हम लोगों को काफ़ी देर तक बहुत ज़्यादा ठंड लगी, but still we wanted to stargaze. Sky over here is so beautiful. हम लोग अंदर बैठे हुए थे. Just as we came out, we saw something like crazy galaxy over our head. It was so mind blowing. Take a look at the picture we shot. So guys, this morning is bit sunny and cloudy और अभी हम लोग को 9 बजे यहाँ से निकलने का प्लान है. So I think I have 1 hour to explore and take some shots of this place as well. So stay tuned. and ठंड नहीं है यहाँ पे बिल्कुल भी. ठंड है ही नहीं. ठंड का है, ठंड नहीं है ना. I hope you enjoyed this footage. Now I'm heading to take my breakfast. Really important, really hungry. तो यार ब्रेकफास्ट कर लिया यार, हम लोग निकल रहे हैं अब यहाँ से. लास्ट गुड बाय टू पैंगोंग. लेकिन हम लोग यहाँ से जाने से पहले वी आर स्टॉपिंग एट अदर पॉइंट which is also beautiful. This place is so relaxing, peaceful and beautiful. I would like to come over and over again and again. Yeah, Pangong Lake, I love you. चलो भैया.
If you talk all the time, you'll never hear what anybody else has to say. And therefore all you'll have to talk about is your own conversation. The same is true for people who think all the time. That means, when I use the word think, talking to yourself, subvocal conversation, the constant chit-chat of symbols and images and talk and words inside your skull. Now, if you do that all the time, you'll find that you've nothing to think about except thinking. And just as you have to stop talking to hear what others have to say, you have to stop thinking to find out what life is about. And the moment you stop thinking, you become into immediate contact with the unspeakable world. The force of liberation will blow the world to pieces.
The more I explore, the more I realize being present in the moment, accepting every surprise of life, and doing whatever you love is the best reality that you can imagine.
This is dead, battery over. Guys, मेरा camera off हो गया, मेरा phone off हो गया, मेरा drone off हो गया. This is the last thing which is alive, which is GoPro Hero 6. So I think I'll not be able to capture this, but I will definitely. I want to feel this place more now. So I'll see you guys in next episode. I am now heading to Leh again. Guys, you can follow me on Instagram. I post my stories and my pictures on Instagram. My Instagram ID is here. Guys, subscribe to my channel. I'll be keep posting more travel videos like this. I'll be keep giving you chill vibes. So stay tuned. Definitely hit that subscribe button and share this chill vibes to all of your friends, family, and yeah, I love you all. See you guys next time.